Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off S Pen vibrations on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on the advanced features. Then tap on S Pen. Next, we scroll down and then tap on more S Pen settings. Now finally, scroll down and then tap on vibrations. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on vibrations for the S Pen. And that's it. From now on, when we insert or remove the S Pen, the phone will gently vibrate to let you know that you have insert or removed the pen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.